ever hear chord progressions in music or hear another musician play a chord progression, but you don't understand it, like you don't understand the concept? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to understand the concept of chord progressions, and it'll help you learn them way easier. All right, so the first thing you need to understand in order to play a chord progression is the scale that you're playing in. So I'm in the key of C. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 1. Okay? All right, so the next thing that you need to understand is that left hand, that beautiful left hand. So I like to look at my left hand. If I don't have a bass player, I like to look at my left hand as the bass player. If I don't, and then the other thing too is when we are identifying numbers, we like to basically identify the numbers based off the left hand. So what I'm playing here is 6, 5, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 4, 6, 5, 4, 6, 5, 4. Okay, so 6, 5, 4. All right, so the next thing that you need to know to understand the chord progressions is the chords that go with the bass notes or the tones of the scale. So in this case, we're going to play on 6, we're just going to play A minor chord, E, A, C. Okay. On the 5, we're going to play a G major chord, D, G, B. And number 4, on the 4, we're going to play a 4 major chord, which is C, F, A, which is also F major. Six, 5, 4. Okay, so the last thing that you need to understand is when you play a chord progression or hear a chord progression, understand the destination. Where are you going? So if I'm playing a 6, 5, 4 chord progression, it's because the goal is to get to the 4. So the chord progression is a vehicle. Point A is the 6. Point B, or the destination, is the 4. Now, I'm not saying that's the final destination, but that's the point. 6, 5, 4. So if you are playing a song, and let's say you're going, I'm gonna just make up something random on the spot. So we're at the 1, 2. I want to go to the 4, right? But I don't want to go straight to the 4. So I'm like, man, I remember I had that 6, 5, 4 chord progression. 6, 5, 4. That is how chord progressions work. Know the scale that you're playing in, know the numbers on the left hand, the tones of the scale, that is, then know the chords that go with the bass notes, and then last but not least, understand the destination. That is how you play chord progressions, and that is how you understand them. Listen, if you want my full system, click the link either in the comment section or the description of this video. You can get my system with the $1 7 days trial, and you can get it for $10 a month after that if you like it. All right, so until then, I will see you on next week.